Hey, what is going on YouTube? HackerG7 here. So WhatsApp now allows you to edit text messages after sending. So you can do this within 15 minutes of sending the text message. So let's open our chat here and let's just send a message. All right, so we sent a message to ourselves. So what you'd need to do is to long press on the message. Then in the upper right corner where we have the stacked menu, the three dots. So you'd click on the three dots and you'd have the option to edit. Now we could edit and click on the send icon and that message has been sent. Now let's select it again and click on edit and let's add some more. And once you're finished typing the new text, you would simply need to select the check mark. And as you can see, edited will be shown on the text there. So that is basically how you'd go ahead and edit messages on WhatsApp that you've already sent. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was informative. HackerG7 out.